Guys, what is up? Today I'm going to be continuing on with the theme of animals from Deer Simulator and Goat Simulator. I'm playing Bird Skate, I think it's called, or Skatebird or something. This is just a really random game. It's really funny. I just skipped all the dialogue, so do an ollie and do a flip trick. There you go, done. Do you remember when you tried to do ollies and you just face planted the floor? I don't skateboard, so I haven't face planted the floor trying to do an ollie. But I fell off BMXing. Yeah, I fell off my BMX. Bruised my rib. But yeah. This game's really good as well. Skating around as a bird. I think you can go down off this little skate park down into the bedroom thing. So yeah, I don't know how. It's somewhere. Okay, so yeah, I think it's in one of these corners. It's like a little razor. Well, not a razor. I'm not American. Am I? I'm British. It's a little rubber. And a sharpener? Oh, nope. Forgot to try and counter do that. Okay, that one was weird. He just like twirled me like a ballerina. I was talking, my recording cut out. It's weird. Anyway, so it's here. Yeah, look, it's there. So come on, you need to kind of hit that. Okay, you should. How did I miss that? Come on, we need to do this. I want to go into yeah, there we go. Oh, I missed the bed. Oh, fell off. It doesn't matter. Who's this guy? No, I can't grind all this stuff. I don't know where it is. Yeah, there's skate parks everywhere in this game. Literally. This guy's obsessed with birds and skateboarding. Don't know why. But, yeah. Sounds like a weird guy, to be fair. Anyway, that doesn't matter. This game though. I feel I could play this one for ages. You're just like skating around trying to do different things. Yeah. Download this one as well. It's on Game Pass. So all three of these games are on Game Pass. So if you have an Xbox, then you can download them if you have Game Pass. Yeah. Why is there a pizza box leading up to your bed? What? How are these magazines just sitting up on your bed? And why is your pillow a skate park for a bird? This guy makes no sense. Anyway, doing some nice tricks there. See what score I can kind of get. Nice 10k score, 17k score, 22. No, I just lost my 22,000 score. That's annoying. Yeah, it does better. I'm probably gonna end the video there because there's not really much else to do. So yeah, bye guys, see you next time. Bye.